In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change your Steam name. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the Steam desktop client, and right at the top right, you'll see your current name right there. You just want to click on that, and then you want to go ahead and click on view my profile. Okay, and then that'll just load up there. As you can see, once your profile has loaded up, you'll be able to see your name right there. You can click that download. So right here you'll see your current name, and then what you need to do is click on edit profile, and once the edit profile page loads up, you'll be able to see there it says profile name. Okay, this is the one that you can actually change. You can also change the real name if you want to do that, but I'll just leave it like it is. And then once that's saved, you just scroll down and click on save, and then your name will be changed. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.